Welcome, in front of me is an LG K51s, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on the device. Now, to get started, you want to open up any kind of content that you wish to capture, which for me I'm gonna use settings. And once you have it open and visible on the screen, all you need to do is hold power key and volume down. You'll get the sound and animation like so. And that's about it. Your image has been captured. Now from here you can, as you've seen, there are a couple options like edit, share and delete, but you can also do that from simply the photo gallery once I actually find it. There we go, photos. And there is a screenshot, as you can see, there we go. And also you have the options right below. So that is how you would capture any screenshot on your device, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.